Right, so now we've got three options of when will you publish. Are you going to be publishing my page, publish your page now, but allow people to buy page now, release my video later? So obviously, like, I'm going to schedule it. This will be released on a certain date, like a big movie premiere. Publish my page and accept pre-orders, so people can see the video early. I think that's what that means, or ready to sell, publish and sell the video. So obviously when we publish for a preview date, a premiere, if you would like to pick, you can pick the date and time, worldwide, countries, choose countries. This is for all of them, so I'll come back to that for a second. So obviously if it's going to be a preview, we are going to be saying this is out on a certain date. In pre-orders, the same thing. It's going to ask when is it available, but for my understanding of the pre-order is they can publish my page. All right, so on the difference, I would think, let me pause and make sure I get a definitive answer on the difference here. Right, definitive answer is when it's coming soon, you cannot pay, you will not pay until it comes out. Then you pay on the day. Pre-order, you sign up for the pre-order, but you aren't charged until the day that it comes out. So you'll basically put your billing data in, and then they charge you on the day of release. So that's the difference. One, you pay. One, you get notification that it's coming on that day. The other one, you can pay before the day. So you can put your details in before the day, and you get charged on the day of release. Okay, so that's the difference. That's why the timing is the same. All ready to sell, which is what we're going to do. We're going to get it all set up and fire it out. Distribution countries, regions. So obviously if you only want it to be in a certain place, you would click here. Country name, I don't know if England will be one, it'll be United Kingdom, right? So I want it just to be released in the United Kingdom, United States, maybe Australia. If I want to specifically only say it's available in them places, I can add them. Or I can click worldwide. Create a URL that is easier to remember. That's a random string of numbers, like title of your film, right? So you obviously this is the URL that you're going to share with people to get to your video. So I'm going to call it the Happy Me Vimeo sale. It doesn't matter because I'm never going to share it. I was just thinking that's quite long. You might want to keep it simpler. Or, like I say, it'll be the title of your video. Sell your work on your own domain. So if I wanted to, I could say this is only available on a certain domain. We'll give you the power to sell your work anywhere, including on your own site. You can host your Vimeo on, right? So this part's a little bit funkier. If you want to set up a page where you use something like movie.paulnicholson.com, you can. It might take a little bit a time to set up. It is a bit funky. I'm not going to go through it in this section. What I'll do is I'll do a completely separate video if this is what you want for your selling page, for your sales page to be movie.yourdomain.com. It's a little bit funky. I'm not going to slow this video down doing it. It will be quite easy to do. It'll just slow this video down. But at the moment, we're just going to say Vimeo. The page we're going to sell on is this Vimeo page here, right? So hopefully that'll let me save and continue. It does.